Welcome back to Combat Chronicles. This is day 29, episode 29. As you've noticed, I got a new mask. This is a high altitude mask, and supposedly it's supposed to simulate the thin air on higher altitudes. I can't lie, this is a little difficult. Figured I'd give it a shot, see how I like it, see if it does what it advertises, and supposedly this should increase my lung capacity, increase the stamina. But I have a feeling it's going to suck a whole lot before it actually starts to get good. So, first, if you're just getting here for the first time, I recommend going back to the first episode so that way you can follow along with us through the full 365 days. Other than that, we'll go ahead and get started. Oh yeah, I'll leave that right here. For 3, 2, 1, there you go. Alright, so we're going to start with a jab high, hook low, rear hook low. You can probably hear every freaking breath through this little microphone right here. You have to really force the air through. So, it's going to be a jab high, hook low, rear hook low. Just to make sure that I got that right. Yep, you got that right. One more time. Jab high, hook low, rear hook low. Okay? Jab high, hook low, rear hook low. Alright, this is going to suck a lot. I'm going to review this so you can actually feel me. Okay, let's get it going. Alright. Jab, hook low, rear hook low. Jab, hook low, rear hook low. Jab, hook low, rear hook low. Now we want to try and pivot our feet too so we punch you through. Jab, hook low, rear hook low. This is actually really hard. Good job. Starting to miss the other mask. Never thought I'd say that. Watch out, Toto. Back. Nice. I go on, that's really hard. Okay, this is going to be a uppercut, rear uppercut, uppercut, rear uppercut, hook, hook, rear hook. So with the front uppercut high, I like to pretend the chin is like right here. So that way, you know the chin is really flat. So it would look like uppercut, rear uppercut, uppercut, rear uppercut, hook, hook, rear hook. Holy moly, this is difficult. Alright, uppercut, rear uppercut, uppercut, rear uppercut, hook, hook, rear hook. One more time. Alright, let's get it done. Uppercut high, rear uppercut low, uppercut high, rear uppercut low, hook, hook, rear hook. Woo! Oh, I messed up. That's so dumb. Oh, no. This is probably one of the hardest things I ever do. I don't know what to do, it's like on and off with this mask. Thank God. Okay, last one. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Got it? Good. Yes, 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 yes. That was really hard. Oh my goodness. Jab, cross, hook, cross, hook, hook. Alright, let's get it. Come on. Get worse. One, two, three. I'm so glad I didn't put the other restrainer in there. That's really hard. I'm so glad we got through it. Well, I shouldn't have started with 5 or 6 hit combinations. But still, I know this thing is no joke. So you know what? I'll put the link in the description. Get it at your own disclosure. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I should or should not recommend this thing because it's hard. But I'm gonna try my best to wear it as often as possible because I think there's some good benefits that we could reap from this further down the line. Whew. That being said, I'll see you tomorrow.